Hi, Frankie D at Just Carpets and Flooring in Howell, New Jersey. You can ask me any question you like. Yeah, you can expect our guys to come out to your home and do a fantastic job, number one. We know all of our installers, we know their families, so we have a close tie to them. So we have hands-on, and we don't have to worry about who we're calling, if it's a workroom. We're using our own men. Like I said, we socialize with them and their families, so we have hands-on. We guarantee it for life. If you call us and there's ever an issue, we come right out and take care of it, no questions asked. I'm Frankie D at Just Carpets and Flooring, and we'll see you next time.